Hello everyone, this is Rakesh, High Court Advocate. Today I want to explain you about the importance of limitation. So everybody will have some problem in their life and everybody want to resolve it by approaching the concerned forum. And for approaching a concerned forum, there is an act mentioned as Limitation Act, which says that for any specific problem, whatever you face, the relief will be given by the court only if you file a particular suit, appeal or an application within a specific period of time. So there is some concept called as a prescribed time, which is also alternately called as period of limitation. For example, if your employer has not given you a salary and you want to claim the salary by approaching a concerned forum or a concerned court, so the time limit prescribed is 3 years. So whenever your employer has rejected to make a payment after you have made a demand for such payment, so you have to approach the concerned court within a period of 3 years. So in this scenario, the prescribed period is 3 years. So if you are not in a position to file a case within 3 years of time, so the suit is barred by limitation, and if you approach the concerned court also, the court doesn't have any jurisdiction to try the suit, and the suit will be barred by limitation and it will be dismissed. So, and another example is that if you are into a partnership agreement and one of the partner has created some forged document. So, and you come to know that your partner has forged a document, and if you want to cancel such document, here also the period of limitation is stated to be 3 years. So, whenever you have a knowledge that a document has been executed by making a forged signature, so you have to approach the court within 3 years period of time. So, and another example is that if you had given your house to rent for a tenant and the tenant is not vacating the house, prescribed limitation is 12 years for filing a suit for eviction of the tenant from the premises. And there is a prescribed limitation of 30 years for redeeming the mortgage. So once you have mortgaged a property and you have taken a loan or something, then for redeeming the property by paying back the amount is 30 years. Your bike is stolen or a valuable property from your house is stolen, and you know the place and person with whom it was there. So as per Limitation Act, you have to file a specific suit for recovery of the same within 3 years time. For every problem in your life, the Limitation Act has prescribed a particular period of limitation, so that you have to file a suit or an appeal or an appropriate application only within that specific period of time. If you miss that particular timeline, the court also cannot come for your rescue. The main idea behind this is that every legal remedy must be kept alive for a legislatively fixed period of time, because we know that and to prevent parties from resorting to dilatory tactics. So I advise you all to immediately approach the nearest advocate and take a professional advice to resolve your issues at the earliest. Otherwise, you may lose valuable time, evidence, and also the chance of getting a proper adjudication supporting your stance. Thank you, everyone.